I'm going to show you how you can gift games to your Steam friends. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is to open up Steam. And before we even start, you have to have spent at least $5 on your Steam account to be able to gift anything. So if you've purely been playing some of the popular free-to-play games only, you will need to buy something before you can do any gifting. Additionally, you do actually have to be friends on Steam to be able to gift. You can't select a recipient on the checkout process. So if you click your name in the top left and then click friends, you can very quickly add a new friend or share your own friend code here. Either way, just ensure that their friend is showing up on this list here. To gift a game, we'll head over to the store, which you can reach by clicking store in the top left. Search for the game you want to gift, or alternatively, you can just go on the homepage and select something from here. So for this example, let's say that we want to gift Rust. What we want to do is add it to your cart, click view my cart, and under the game name, you'll see a drop down which says for my account private, which means that you'll have it on your account, but other people won't be able to see that you have it. Or this is a gift. So you click this is a gift and then click continue to gift option. From here, you can choose your recipient. Again, this account only has one friend, so I can just select it here. Type your message if you want to, you don't have to. You can choose to have it delivered straight away, or you can schedule the delivery for, let's say, a birthday or Christmas. And then just select continue to payment and choose your preferred payment and just fill out all your details and your gift will be sent. If your account has Steam money on it, you can also use that instead.